Hey, good morning, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Listen, verse today is, I think it's about church. I think it's about church life. I think it's about living together in church life. But I just think it's also some real good, just practical advice about how to live as an adult. I mean, seriously. I gave you some of that not too long ago. This is another one of those verses that I just think. Paul is winding down his letter to the Corinthians, and it's in 2 Corinthians chapter 13, and it's in verse 11. And he says, "Finally, brethren, farewell. Become complete. Be of good comfort. Be of one mind. Live in peace. And the God of love and peace will be with you." So let me just kind of unpack that for you just for a minute. He says, "Become complete." It's actually the word "complete" in this context is mature. He's saying be mature. This might be taking a step too far, but it might be like Paul saying, just grow up, right? Just act like an adult. Just be mature. Be complete. Act like you are a fully mature, grown adult human being. Sometimes I just want to tell people that, right? Just grow up. But anyhow, be complete. Be of good comfort. Be encouraged. He says, be encouraged. Look, we serve the God of all encouragement, the God of all comfort, the scripture says. I know that it's easy to get down about life. It's easy to get down about our own circumstances. It's easy to get down when you spend too much time on Facebook or X or Twitter or whatever it's called. It's easy to get down about the world. But listen, we be encouraged. We belong to the God of all comfort. We belong to the God who can encourage us. So just relax and lean into God and let God give you the encouragement that you need at this point in your life. So act like an adult, lean into God, be of one mind. Now look, um, we don't all have to think exactly the same way on every little issue, and that's not what this is saying. But what it is saying is that we are united in our mind and in our thoughts in purpose. We come together. We may look different. We may like different styles. We may like different music. We may have different political views, whatever. But look, we can be united on one thing. We are here for the purpose of being the people of God in our community or wherever you are. You are here for God to use as a tool to show other people who He is. We can't be chewing each other up and spitting each other out. Listen, if somebody comes to visit your church, or if they don't even come, but they know they're thinking about coming to church, and they see you out there, and you're just running down somebody else in the church. You're just chewing them up. You're just slaying them with your tongue. Wow, they can get that at the office. Why would they want to come and get it at the church as well? We need to have united. Actually, I got ahead of myself a little bit. That's the one about living in peace, with each other. People don't, when they come to church, they don't need to be at a place where they have to worry about who's going to be backbiting them. They can get that anywhere. When they come to church, they are to experience love. They are to experience acceptance. They are to experience grace. So be of good comfort. So be complete, be an adult, be of good comfort, lean into God, be of one mind. Let's have a single purpose and live in peace with each other, and the God of love and peace will be with you. That'll bring God into the midst of us and be with us. Just some good practical advice. Get out there, faith today. Love you guys. Bye.